The following is a tutorial on how to send a GIF in Gmail, both clickable and non-clickable. Just for clarity, I am going to send the email to an email address that I can access. I will type a short message. Now that I have the cursor at the location I want the GIF to go, I will click on Insert Picture. Then I click on Inline. And since the GIF is online, I click on Web Address URL. I copy the address from my Excel file and paste it into the URL field. Now I see it has been loaded and it is where I wanted it to be. It is a bit bigger than I would like, so I'll resize it by selecting small. Now with the picture selected, I will click on Hyperlink. I go and grab my YouTube video URL and paste it into the web address field. Now it is a clickable GIF. I will type another message and put the cursor where I want the GIF to go. Now I will insert a non-clickable GIF. I click on Insert Photo. Then I click on Inline. And then I go to the web address URL. I grab the link and paste it into the web address field. And now I see it is where I want it to be in the email. I will resize it. I will type a message and hit send. I will now check my email. I hover over the first one and it is linked to the video. The one down below is just a GIF. Thanks for watching.